Hey kids! Have you ever eaten a soft, warm slice of bread and wondered, how did this get made? Is it magic? Or is there a secret recipe? Today, we're going on a fun adventure to discover how bread is made. Let's go! Bread doesn't start in a kitchen. It actually starts on a farm. These tall plants are called wheat. Farmers grow wheat, and when it's ready, they harvest it using big machines. Inside each wheat plant are tiny grains called wheat kernels. These kernels are super important because they are turned into flour. The wheat kernels are taken to a place called a mill. Here, powerful machines grind them into a soft powder. That powder is called flour. Flour is the main ingredient used to make bread. But flour alone isn't enough. We need a few more ingredients. To make bread, we mix flour, water, yeast, salt. Mix them all together, and something amazing happens. The mixture turns into a soft, stretchy dough. It feels like Play-Doh. Now comes the magic part. The yeast starts to eat the sugars in the dough. While eating, it produces a gas called carbon dioxide. This gas forms tiny bubbles inside the dough, making it puff up and rise. That's why bread becomes soft and fluffy. Once the dough has risen, it is shaped into different forms. Long loaves, round buns, flat bread. Then it goes into a hot oven. Inside the oven, the dough rises even more. The outside turns golden brown. And that yummy smell spreads everywhere. After baking, the bread is cooled down and sliced. Now it's ready to eat. Now here's something cool. Sometimes bread is made in big factories instead of small kitchens. In these factories, huge machines mix the dough. Dough is shaped and baked automatically. Hundreds of loaves are made very quickly. After baking, the bread is sliced neatly, packed in plastic bags, sealed to keep it fresh. Then it is sent to supermarkets and shops. That's where you and your family buy it. You can enjoy bread with butter, jam, or make a tasty sandwich. And that's how bread is made, from tiny wheat grains all the way to your plate. Next time you eat bread, you'll know the amazing journey it took. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.